Hey guys, today we're playing Counter-Strike Global Offensive Niko10.
Hi guys.
Hi. Oh, that was supposed to be my kill. Oh, where did he run off to?
Yeah, I killed him. Someone, oh my god.
Someone ran away from me. I thought there were two guys. Oh no, that's my teammate. Where's the two guys? What kind of photo do they have?
Oh my god! Big double kill.
Niko just saved your life by killing someone.
Yeah.
Russian guy. And 4A4 again.
I saved your life.
Look at my stats, 0, 0, 0. Ouch, somebody attacked me with a knife. Okay, fine. Okay, we killed one. Who's the other guy?
Oh no.
Oh, got him. I have 8 HP. I got one. 8 HP left.
1 HP?
8.
Oh, 8 HP.
Whoa.
Okay, that's okay.
How did you all guys die? Okay. Where are you, Niko?
Yeah,
I'm gonna shoot you in your head.
No.
Headshot. Okay. Oh, we're losing 2-1. I didn't join the first. I joined after.
Oh, they killed me again.
I killed one.
Oh.
But they still won
They
it.
did me spam kill. I turned into a bot.
Yeah. No life. Someone killed me. Oh, we have one bot. Nice. We're going to lose this even more. How many rounds do you want to play? 2? 3?
3.
Okay.
Oh no.
Oh.
Now I have an idea. I will be in my base.
I did 69 damage. No. I'm gonna take control of the bot.
Only one guy left.
Okay, I took control of the bot. Okay, let's go down. Let's see. I think he's upstairs. I saw him.
I think he's.
Oh, that's the guy who killed me. He has 38.
Yeah.
Oh, he killed me. Oh, we have individuals Vani joining. Oh, our player has 400 ping.
Let's go.
Really, that's nice. Yes. No, it's not. Okay, go. Let's win this round and make it 3. Wow. Oh, come on. Headshot.
Yeah, I killed him.
Zileka. Niko, he's like on their base. Behind, go behind.
Oh no!
He has a Desert Eagle.
Mother. Yeah, I have that.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, he has 5 HP. Whoa. Oh, come on. We have a Cookie Monster guy. He has a
Cookie Monster?
Yeah, the Operation 05 Healthy Veins. No life. Ouch, Niko. That hurt my feelings. Oh, nice.
Sorry, my friend. Hello.
I don't like
Oh no.
It kills them in like 5 or 6 bullets. Oh, I killed him.
Yeah, I have an my
Desert.
next weapon is now Desert Eagle.
Yeah, mine too. I got 3 kills and 4 deaths. That's the worst stats I can ever have.
Our mission is simple. Take them out.
No. My Desert Eagle has a sticker.
Yeah, I know.
And my M4A1 Blood Tiger has 2.
Oh.
And then others. Oh.
They headshot me every time.
I almost got him.
Every time they see me, they headshot.
Like 4 people were shooting me. I almost killed one. Come on, win. He's coming
What?
from behind. Oh,
Me
no.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay. Go. Kill him.
Come
Oh
on.
my god. 11.
God has nice photo. Yeah.
Oh, he had the.
Yeah.
Like, I want Nova so I can like two-shot them.
Let's get this done.
Or close one shot.
Yeah, come on.
Okay, let's go. Let's win this round. Oh, I was so close. Nice. Here. Let's reload. Lock and roll. Okay, now here. Where are they?
I don't know. Oh, there's one.
Where are they? They're not here. We have to win.
Someone
this
is out
round.
here.
Nice. What?
I'm coming.
I didn't do any damage. Impossible.
Where are they? Where? Oh, he's planting.
Okay.
No!
Did they kill you?
I will not let you plant. Here he
He's
is!
behind you.
Shit.
Oh no.
Come on.
Go. Oh, that's gonna be a close battle.
What? I have.
Oh, Blake, whatever the name is, he's going to
Come
lose.
on. Why?
He's going to lose if he doesn't go soon. No! Yes! He won! Nice! Nice. Okay. Fine. I have to have better stats than this. I usually have good stats.
I have 6 kills and 6 deaths.
I have 3 kills, 2 assists, and 6 deaths. And
No.
you just died.
No.
I killed one, but I died. No. Oh, they demolished us.
Shit.
Oh, changing sides. They have 2 Russians.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
AK-47. I see you, Niko. I'll headshot you.
Now I will show you how I
Go,
play
go,
with
go, go.
AK-7.
I think I know where they're coming from.
Oh no. I just screwed up.
Oh, headshot, but behind as always. Come on. Where? Oh my god, killer! No!
Nah.
Oh, he did well. He killed 2 people who came down. I'm catching up on stats, Niko.
Yeah.
And somebody gave me a bomb.
So that we may be free.
I'll just stay here and kill anyone who comes. Oh, nice. No, it's our team. Let's go from behind. One's here. Okay, he can handle him. Got him.
Yeah, I
Nice.
shot at him.
I also got a kill. I came from behind.
Okay, guys, so this is the end, and bye. I'll see you soon.
We shall rule the day.